how to cancel booking.com hotel reservation. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. Let's start by opening your web browser and going to booking.com's website or your application. Next, log into your booking.com account. After logging in, click on My Booking option right here, which is usually on the very bottom. This will take you to the page where you can manage your reservation. Now find the specific reservation you want to cancel from the list of your bookings. Click on Reservation to access the details. Carefully review the cancellation policies for your reservation. The cancellation policy can vary depending on the property, room type, and rate you selected during the booking process. Now, if the cancellation policy allows you to cancel without fees or within the specified time frame, you should see a Cancel or Request Cancel button. Click on this button to start the cancellation process. Booking.com may ask you to provide a reason for your cancellation. This information helps them improve their service, but is usually optional. After you have requested for the cancellation, you will typically see a confirmation message. Be sure to review the details and make sure your reservation has been cancelled. Shortly after cancelling your reservation, you should receive a confirmation email from booking.com, which includes details of the cancellation. Keep this email for your records. And if you encounter any issues during the cancellation process or have specific questions about your reservation, you can contact booking.com's customer support for assistance. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to us for more valuable contents. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.